go again. You think by now I know better. Locked in my head, romanticizing forever. Last love I found, knees met the ground and all my roses died. Swore I was through, but looking at you, I think I changed my mind.
Hey, nandito kami ngayon sa Two Brown Boys. Isa lang to sa pinakamasarap na burger dito sa Boracay. Pero, wala ito sa beach. Lalakarin mo to sa labas ng D-Mall. Pakita natin yung yung mga menus. So, susubukan natin itong Zermatt, Rocky Mountain. Ito yung this one. Tingnan natin kung saan ang pinakamasarap. Right? Ang magja-judge sila, sila Chris, sila Joy. Sila yung mga judge dito. Okay, let's go! Ano yung drinks order nyo? Yeah, nice place. Tapos meron pang you can go upstairs. I think they have a bar upstairs. Punta ka doon, pwede kayong pumasok dito. Maganda naman, di ba? Nice. Ang nasa taas is mga upuan, di ba? Second floor ng may bar rin. Beauty goddess ka. Okay. So, pagdating ng foods, let's try kung ano pinakamasarap. It's good. It's not sweet. It tastes like it's mango, not like a fresh mango. It's good. This is the mango shake. Ikaw, did you try this?
Yeah.
What is this?
Goddess.
Goddess what? Beautiful goddess. Can you
try it? Drink.
This is the goddess.
Combination of cucumber.
I think it's beautiful goddess.
Beautiful goddess. When you drink this, you're gonna be beautiful like a goddess. It comes with
Cucumber and
calamansi and mint.
Like a green juice.
Very good, very fresh.
Does it stay sweet? Or...
No, kasi may calamansi, so it's kind of sour a little bit. Yeah, but it's so good.
Nice.
So you should try it.
Cheers.
Be a goddess.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wala siyang sweetener.
Wala. It's pure
Fresh lang talaga
mango.
Ice and mango.
That's watermelon shake, right?
Shake. Purong-puro nga. Masarap.
Sugar?
Halong sweetener. Purong-purong.
Pure.
Yeah. Yeah, watermelon. Yellow watermelon. Yes. Yes. Try it. It tastes good. Pure na fresh na fresh.
Watermelon, sarap.
Refreshing.
Don't throw it on my face. You put a weight on my shoulder.
Sarap, no?
A few moments later.
Do we need to ask for spoon and fork?
Sarap ng burger.
It's hard to eat. Ang laki. Okay.
I want to try that.
Okay, dito muna tayo kay John.
Anong burger to?
It's really good.
Kasi pa rin dito na-order nito. With the shirt.
Oh,
What
sure.
did you think?
Very good. You make it very good.
Yun ang ano namin. Really nice. Try it, man. It's really good.
Ano ito? Parang lasang langganis.
Ito rin naman, yung atin. Hindi. Parang pares ng
Parang langganis
atin.
It tastes like, what do you call that? Chorizo.
Parang pares ng
Chorizo. Wow.
One eternity later.
dismayado.
Hindi raw masarap eh.
Masarap.
Pero naubos.
Naubos. Iba yun naman. Simot, sarap.
Ano nangyari?
Okay.
Parang dinaanan ng bagyo.
O sige, ano na? Ano yung pinakamasarap sa inyo?
The menu. Get the menu daw.
Pinakamasarap ay
Yeah.
Guzman.
Wow, Guzman.
English man?
But the sir.
Ako, sir,
Sir Matt.
masarap rin.
Ay, tama. Sir
Sir
Matt.
Matt for me.
Matt, ang sarap ko, Matt.
O, 3-0 na si Sir Matt.
The winner.
Eh, yung Rocky Mountain. Yun yung may mga parang onion rings sa
Ayun, masarap sa akin.
Ang sarap ng onion rings.
Yes.
Sarap.
Also the shakes.
Yeah, gusto ko yung shake. Walang masyadong.
Very fresh.
Wala, hindi namin nagustuhan yung shake.
Okay. Nakadalawa lang ako.
Hello, wala. Hello. Hindi ko kaya naubos.
Ako nakadalawa, hindi yung masarap eh.
Ano nangyari? Tinapon ko nga lang. Dito.
So, how's the experience? Ilang anong rate from 1 to 10?
9.
9.
For the
yeah.
taste. How about yung portioning niya? Ano, ano to?
Malaki siya.
10 is the highest. Anong sabi?
11. It was so good.
Yeah, it's a big.
One burger is good for maybe 2 people.
The price is right.
Ayun naman, sa price range, ano namang rate nito?
Well,
Price is
depende
good.
kung saan ka galing. If you're from abroad or another place, you will find the price cheap.
Not cheap. Good.
Pag sa Pinas, sakto lang.
Kung sa Pilipino raw,
Sakto lang.
sakto lang. So, what do you think? Ano yung nagustuhan mo dito? Yung may chorizo ano may yung
Lasang chorizo din.
ang Guzman yata yan eh.
Yung maanghang ko o yung may ano?
No.
May
The Sir Matt pa rin. Sir Matt.
Yung ano?
Onion.
Rocky Mountain.
Onion.
So, 2, 4,
So yung sa akin, wala. Akin. So the Guzman.
Eh, yung sa'yo, ano yung kinain mo na ano lang, lettuce lang pati ano.
Lettuce wrap. Very juicy. Yung ano yun? Bacon mushroom melt. Very good. The sauce.
Approve.
So, what do you think? Ano?
Will recommend.
Sa akin
recommend.
sa akin 9 to 10. 9 out of 10.
Yes.
This place.
Me too. 9 out of 10.
Oh, all of us. Rating. 9 out.
9.28.5. Ang daming po.
So, marirecommend natin
Oh, yeah.
sa mga pupunta.
100%. Yeah, you should
Yes.
come over here when you go to Boracay.
2 brown brothers.
Boys.
2 boys brothers.
Two brown.
2
Two brown boys.
Two brown boys.
There's no brothers.
Tingnan mo, ano eh?
Nagaling yung brother.
Ano may brothers?
Alam ko two brown boys eh.
Two brown boys.
boys.
Yung sabi niya, one of the best seller dito yung pizza. We didn't have time to try.
And we don't have enough space.
Space.
Yeah,
Next time.
it's full.
Next time we will try the pizza.
Yeah.
It would be nice kung meron rin sa iba. But right now, this is the only vacation. You have to go to Boracay just to taste the bird.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so,
ano? See you at our next food.
yeah, ang next namin
Next
is
place.
we're gonna try dessert.
Ganun kaya. Two brown boys.
Two brown
Two
boys,
brown
two
boys.